Hey everyone, today we will show you how to set an alert when an indicator gives a signal on Tradingview. This way, we get notified instantly and don't have to watch the chart all day. Instead of staring at the screen and waiting for a signal, let Tradingview alerts do the work for us. We will show you how to set alerts based on indicator signals, so we never miss a trade. Let's get started. The purpose of setting an alert when an indicator gives a signal is to notify us in real time when certain market conditions are met. This helps us react quickly to trading opportunities without always watching the charts. Alerts save time, reduce missed setups, and help us trade with discipline and clear rules. If you want to follow along, here's what we do. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once you're redirected to the page, log into your account. After logging in, let's go to Charts. To view charts, go to the upper part of your page where you see Products. Under Products, click on Supercharged. Click Supercharged, and now we are in Supercharged. This is where our market activities happen, including profit and loss tracking. To add an indicator, find the indicator logo in the upper left corner of the page. See the graph logo? Click this one and a list of indicators will pop up. Today, we will use Elias Eye indicators as an example. As you can see, there is now the RSI divergence indicator. An indicator in Tradingview is a visual mathematical tool applied to price charts to analyze market trends, momentum, volume, or volatility. These tools look at past trading data to help us find possible entry and exit points and understand market patterns for future price moves. Once we have added the indicators, let's add the alert. To add an alert to the indicator, right-click on the point where we want to be alerted. After right-clicking, look at the upper part and you will see the alert option. Just click this, and now a prompt to create an alert message will appear. Now, we can set up the symbols we want, the conditions, and select the regular bullish divergence option. Fill up the form, add our conditions, and also choose how often we want the alert to trigger. Once per bar, or once per close. We can also set the expiration of the alert. After filling in the settings, go to Message. Here, we can set the alert name, the message for the alert, and customize what we want to be notified about. Let's move to the notification section. Here, we can choose where to be notified. In the app with a toast notification, by email, via URL, or with sounds or text. After setting everything up, click Create. That's how we set alerts when an indicator gives a signal. Alerts help us stay on top of opportunities without watching the charts all day. By using alerts properly, we can trade more efficiently, stay disciplined, and never miss key setups. Take time to test your alerts, fine-tune the settings, and make sure they fit your trading plan.